Have you ever pondered on who navigates the ship called home more effectively? Is it the woman with her nurturing touch, or the man with his practical approach? This question has sparked debates and discussions across generations and cultures. And today, we will delve into this intriguing topic. Traditionally, society has often entrusted women with the management of households. Women, with their inherent nurturing instincts and multitasking abilities, have been known to keep homes functioning smoothly. They are the ones who often ensure that there's a hot meal on the table, the laundry is done, and the children are taken care of. Women have the knack for detail, the ability to remember birthdays, anniversaries, and important events, and the capacity to make a house feel like a home with their tender, loving care. On the other hand, men have historically been the providers, the ones who ventured out into the world to bring home the bacon. However, their role in managing the household shouldn't be underestimated. Men, with their problem-solving skills and practical approach, often take charge of the repair work around the house, the finances, and even the planning of family vacations. They bring stability, security, and a different perspective on managing a home. But as we progress into the 21st century, these traditional gender roles are being challenged and redefined. Many men are now taking up roles traditionally held by women, and vice versa. Homes are becoming a shared responsibility, a joint venture where both men and women contribute equally to its management. The line between his tasks and hers is blurring, paving the way for a more balanced, equitable sharing of responsibilities. In this discussion, we've explored the traditional and evolving roles of men and women in managing a household. We've seen how women, with their attention to detail and nurturing instincts, have traditionally kept homes running smoothly. We've also discovered how men, with their practical approach and problem-solving skills, play an integral role in maintaining the household. In conclusion, isn't it apparent that the most harmonious homes are those where responsibilities are shared, where there's a balance of roles, where both men and women participate equally in the management of the household? After all, a home isn't just a physical space, it's a feeling, a sense of belonging, and that can only be achieved when everyone contributes their part. So remember, it isn't about who can manage a house better, it's about working together to make it a home.